Okay, we are here with the Kingston Canadians. They're going to talk about their opening practice. Feeling very good about this season. Had a very good season last time, and they got the cup, which is very good. This time they're going to be adding Catherine Heimstra on the volley, and they're going to have Brandon Taylor as well. He's looking very good. Been training in the off season, I think. Yes, very good. Very good today. And this is the captain, Stuart Brooks, is of course doing very well. He's always got the good scoring ability. So, how you two feel about the opening practice? Very good, yes?
Yeah, well, I think I was surprised with Brandon Taylor's play.
Oh yes, he's doing very well out there. I saw that. I have an eye for talent.
It's good to have two goaltenders that we can rely on this year.
Very good, yes. Brandon, how you feel about your performance? Was good, yes?
I surprised myself as well as the rest of the team.
Oh, yes, very good. It's going to be very good. So using new rink, yes? New rink?
Yes, yeah, the Red Wings have their little rank up, but I think we're going to have still a home ice advantage. So.
Oh, yes, it's going to be very good. How you both feel about new player Catherine Heimstra?
Well, like I said, it's going to be good to have two goaltenders that we can both rely on, and gives the Brandon a rest.
Yes. I heard you had super duper uber star Doug Mitchell. He's very good, yes? Probably best player in all of ESHL, yes? Yes, he's so good. I watch him play. He is like so freaking good. I cannot believe it. Oh well.
Yes, he was a rookie last year, and he for sure we couldn't have won the championship without him.
Oh, I agree. So the other teams, you think you can beat them?
It's gonna be tough because their new player Travis Van Konen is pretty good too.
Oh yes, I've not seen him, but I've heard good thing.
Yes, I played with him years ago, and well, he was a goaltender back then, but I'm sure he has some snipes.
Oh, for sure. First, thank you for your time. We're going to wrap this up, and yes, this has been the Kingston Canadians. Brandon Taylor on the goalie, and Stuart Brooks on the center.
Thank you.
Goodbye.